Mud is sitting. Got some more pieces cut here. I'm going to be working on this wall today and on the inside of the window where the glass blocks are going. Up above here is where those lovely cuts are going. Hopefully they fit. And these two stacks of thin ones here are for the inside of the window that will go against the glass blocks. You see the line going up the wall, those are going to go up against those. So we'll get started here in a minute. This is what I have left for tile. That's the cut stuff anyway. It's not enough. Here's my jungle of scrap that I have to try to finish. I've got 2 more full tiles back here. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've got 5 plus scrap. I'll see where we get to. There's that, and then the rest of the blocks got to go in today. And I'm gonna add a little shelf in between the blocks because I've got some extra room on the height. We'll see how that goes. And we're just in the mixing stage again here. What have I done? Oh no. What have I done? Ah! How the fuck did I fuck that up? Alright, you're going in. I'm so confused. I guess I just gotta take a little off the top. A little off the top. Jeez Louise, is it gonna fit now? Oh, I still gotta go up higher. Alright. That's it. Good enough. It's a final countdown. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo-doo-doo. tiling is complete. The windows, glass blocks are in. We've got a little shelf now. There's 2 shelves if you want to count that one. I think it has gone alright. I'm feeling better about it. Once you get the grout in, I have a pewter grout, so a dark gray. That'll hide some of the things.